Welcome to Plan Watch Walk, the channel which brings you some of the best walking around. If you like what we do, why not subscribe and hit the bell. Today's walk starts at Bowless. We head north up to Summerhill waterfall, then we retrace our steps, head down over the road, cross a small bridge, and we get to Low Force waterfall. We head along the south side of the River Tees, along the Pennine Way, eventually getting to High Force. Once again, retracing our tracks, we head over the bridge, up towards High Force Hotel. We head north from there, and we pick up a number of small farm tracks before heading back to our start point. We're starting off today's walk at the Bowless Visitor Centre. We can just see straight ahead of us there. Just on the right here, we've got some signage, and as you can see, we've got the Summerhill waterfall. It's only a matter of 600 metres up ahead. So we'll move from here. We'll probably just see slightly ahead of us there, probably centre a picture. We've got the gate with a toilet block behind it. We just follow the road up there, the path up there. Ahead of us now we can certainly hear Summerfield waterfall, and here ahead of us is the waterfall itself. As we come back down from Visington Summerhill waterfall, we pick up the small bridge, head over the river, we just come down the side of the visitor centre, and ahead of us we have the path down to the main road. Come to the main road, and we've got a sign, the wooden sign here, which is telling us high force and low force. So we're heading down the path. Shouldn't be too far till we get there. So now at the suspension bridge. We've just left Low Force behind us. As we walk along the southern side of the River Tees, we're on the path of the Pennine Way. The area around here is classified as an area of outstanding beauty. As we pan round to the south, see pretty much why that is. There's always a certain, to me, tranquility walking along the river. There's always something happening. It's constantly changing, constantly moving. The colours are just beautiful. So we follow the river down. If we look behind, we're also picking up some tremendous scenery. as we move along towards High Force itself, we cut inland a wee bit away from the river, and it's a really nice path. See the path the other side of the fence. The surroundings itself along the walk quite varied. We're in a small wooded area, we've got open fields, we've got river walking. It's just really nicely mixed up, all the different types of walking you can get. As we progress along the path, we come to a slight fork to get a really good view of High Force itself. You need to head down this way. So we've now reached High Force. You can get the idea of why it's called High Force, because it's pretty tall. Once you've taken in the wonders of the High Force, we need to retrace our tracks back down to the bridge which we passed on the way along. So walking back along from High Force towards the bridge, you get an opportunity to look at some of the stunning scenery around here. You can see why it's been designated an area of outstanding beauty. We've just come down the path from the slight incline, and on the left of us we've got the bridge. Quite nice being back down by the riverside. The wind's dropped off, which is very nice. Oh, I think that needs a bit of oil on it. So we're now heading over the Tees, and west of us that's up to High Force, which we just come back from. Once we've come down off the bridge, I want to head left through the gate and along the public footpath, following the northern side of the River Tees. Well, we now start to leave the path along the side of the River Tees, and we're going to be heading up. Got a set of steps ahead of us through the gate, and we'll be heading up towards High Force Hotel. So climb up towards the road. We've got High Force Hotel just ahead of us. As we come through the car park of the hotel, see the wooded area ahead of us. There's a path leading up to the gate. You need to head through there, head up right around the side of the wooded area. We'll follow the path around the side of the woods here, And as we walk up the path, come to the sign which tells it's a public footpath. So we head through there and we're heading up towards the farm just in the distance there. I'm not sure if you can see it. Some beautiful scenery around here. We've followed the wall down. We're going to come to a gate just ahead of us. And there's another gate further up on the right. Then we pick up a single track road, and that's the start of us heading back towards the car. So we come out of the second gate. Take a moment just to pick out the view on the right there, which is beautiful. We come to the road and there's a fork in the road. The main road appears to go off down to the right, and we've got a track ahead of us here on the left. We want to follow this track. It's going to take us down to a farmyard, and we need to continue through there and follow the track up over the hills a wee bit. So we're going to be climbing slightly, but nothing too arduous by any means. So we just follow the path down. As you can see ahead of us, there's a stile and there's another way sign there to say it's public paths. If you want, you can head across the fells themselves. We're going to be heading up the road today and just continuing the path back round, which is going to take us back down to Bowless. It's really steady underfoot, and we should hopefully get some great views as well. Now we've climbed just a little bit, rewarded with some really great views. Of course, through the valley, you might just pick out the Tees, the base of the valley there. So as we pull down the slope, the trees ahead of us, the main building you can see to the left, that's the the visitor centre at Summerhill, where we headed off after being to the first waterfall. So we're pretty much coming to the end of the circle now, and only a matter of less than half a mile from the car. So I hope you've enjoyed the walk. It's been a great walk to undertake. It's not hard or challenging at all, but there's lots of nice things to view along the way. Well, that concludes the walk for today. We've been blessed with some really nice weather. If you like what we do, please subscribe and hit the button. It helps us a lot. Lots more information available for you on the website planwatchwalk.guide. Look forward to seeing you soon. Bye for now.